Good morning again, my friends. Welcome to Miss Winslow's house. Let's start our day. Good morning, good morning. Yes, it's time to say good morning. Well, we say hello, hello, friends. And how do you do? How do you do? To all our friends and teachers too. Good morning to you. Wish we were together at school, but we can do it. We're almost at the end of our school year. And you know what's next? Summer break. So good morning, everyone. Let's see what greeting we're having today. Could it be a hug, high five, handshake, smile? Let's show a cheese. Good morning, friends. I'm so glad to see you and glad that you're watching me. Let's check the weather. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather out today? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather out today? Oh, a nice, bright, shiny day. Great day to enjoy. Make sure you get all that work done so you can get on out and enjoy every minute of it. Let's check our calendar, too. All right, it's not the end yet, so we're still in the month of May. It is May the 28th of 2020. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. You see that? It's Thursday. Not Friday or Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It is Thursday, May the 28th of 2020. Let's get right on into our lesson. We're all about review to get ready for kindergarten. You've all grown so much since you started pre-K. So let's start at the beginning. A says like apple and alligator and ant. Let's try B like ball, You can hear those beginning sounds for the letter. B bear and banana. C like cat and car and cow. D like duck and dog and doctor. E like elephant and egg. F like fan and feet. I hope they're not stinky feet. And fish. G, g. Remember in Letterland, we tipped it like you're drinking a drink. G. You're gulping it down. G, gift. Goat and gum. H, you can feel it hot in your hand, the H sound. Hat and hot in hot dog. I, like our fingers are icky, like in igloo and invitation and iguana. J, like Jumping Jim was juggling the balls. J in juice and jam and even jar. K, like you're gonna kick that ball, and kite and keys and king. L, put the tongue up to your teeth. Like in lion and lemon and lamb. M, like in monkey and milk. And let's go motorcycle. N, like noisy Nick. Let me show you, was nailing those nails. You put your tongue to the top of your mouth, not your teeth, but inside the top of your mouth. Like net and nails. O, remember your lips are going to be round just like the O. Like ostrich and octopus, and even, it's not up here, but and orange. P, like popcorn, and pail and penny. Q, qua, and the two letters that go together, or the extra letter that goes with Q that you usually see everywhere, is that U. Qu, queen, quilt, and quarter. R, like the robot in Letterland. Rose, ring, like Miss Winslow's rings. And rabbit. S, remember we made our hand sign? Sammy Snake would slither on the floor. S, like sailboat and sandwich. At the very beginning, that S sound. Talking Tess love to talk on the telephone. Well, there's the T. Tomato. Tools and table. U. We put our hands one on top and push that umbrella up, for umbrella, and underwear, and umpire. V, put your tongue, put your lip and your teeth together and make it vibrate. Like vegetables and vase and violin. W. All right, got to get both my hands up in the W formation. Woo, woo, woo. So I make a W with my hands and push it out. Woo, woo, woo. Like watermelon and wagon and waffles. X. X is usually found at the end of words, but there are a few at the beginning, like X-ray, or fox, or 6 at the end. Then Y. In Letterland, we moved our hand up and down like we had a yo-yo. And there's yarn and a yam and yellow. We're at the end. Our letter Z. Z. Like zebra and zipper and zero. And look, friends, 0. That leads me into our next lesson to remember. Let's talk about numbers. Our numbers. So here's a good book to look at to remember just your numbers 1 to 10. It'll help you count and remember what it looks like. 1, one frog. We won't go through all the pages because I know you have worked so hard. You know all of your numbers to 100 to count out loud. So let's just take a look at what they look like. 2 owls. 3 polar bears. 4 1 2 3 4 zebra. 5 6 7 8 9 10. Mommy dog and 9 puppies equal 10 dogs in all. Now that's 10. Let's use a little bit of our math to fill our bucket. All right, here's our die. We want to see what we can add today. Four and 3, let's count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So first I rolled a 7. Let's see what we'll get next. Together 4 and 5 are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, my friends. So let's put the 9 card. And let's see what we have. So 7 plus 9, what will it equal? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 7 plus 9 equals, here comes the big count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16, my friends. So 7 plus 9 equals 16. And there's that 16 card. 16, the teens have a 1 in the front, and then the number behind it finishes its word sentence. 16. So it's like you read it backwards. 16. The 1 in the front makes your teen. So 16. 7 plus 9 equals 16. Let's do one more, and then we'll introduce subtraction. That's the first time you've heard that from Miss Winslow, but we're going to talk about subtraction. Here's my die. Let's see what's first. 6 and 2, add it together. 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So let's get our 8 card here. Roll the die again. 6 and 4 together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, friends. So we want to know what's 8 plus 10. Let's get our bottle cards to count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 plus 10. So I need 10 more bottles. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 8 bottles plus 10 bottles equal, here comes the big count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. So 8 plus 10 equals 18, my friends. And remember, when the 1 is in the front, we know it's the teens. Check the next number behind. So 18. 18. 18 is 8 plus 10. All right, so now here's your something new. Now, we're going to subtract. You won't see this sign. The new sign is a minus sign. And minus, or in subtraction, looks like this. It's one line, which makes it different from the equal sign that has two lines. Well, let's see. Let's start with a low number. 3. Three minus, let's see what we get. 2. Now, when you have a minus, that means you have to take it away. So let's get 1, 2, 3 bottles, and it wants me to take away 2. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, but take away 2. What do I have left, my friends? 1. 1 is your answer. So let's see it again. 3. Now it says take away 2. You have 1 left. So 3 minus, or take away 2, left us 1 bottle. Now another way I can show you is 3, and then the 2 with my marker. I want to put an X on that one, and then put an X on that one, and what's left whole? 1. So you still took away 2, and it left 1. Let's see if we can do another one. Big kids going to kindergarten. Now you're seeing subtraction. All right. 5. Let's find our 5 card. So you're going to start with 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see what we get next. 6. So the big number is 6. Let's find it. There's number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, your big number came second. So let's use the big number to do our takeaway. We want to take 5 away from the big number. So if we X'd this one, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's left, my friends? 1 again. When you take 5 from the 6, it only left 1 bottle to drink. Everybody else took the rest away. So 5 from 6 only left us 1 bottle left to share. All right. So now you can try that at your house with your dice, and now use your new sign that you know, minus, but I love to call it the takeaway because it takes it away from your number to find out what you have left. All right, friends, now we're going to go from math to talk about what you remember about books. Books that we read have a title, have a title. Always the author who writes the books gives it a title. And this one is Dog on a Frog. So the author writes the words just like he wrote the title. The illustrator draws or paints the pictures. This dog sitting on a frog helps our imagination. The illustrator shows us what the author is saying. You see this side of the book? This is called the spine. Just like your back, there's a middle part. If you touched your back, you could feel your spine right down the middle. Well, this book, right down the middle, and when it's closed, the side is called the spine. Then, of course, when we look at it, we see the front cover. Then we can flip it and see the back cover. And look, the author wrote even more things. You know the rules, it says. The illustrator drew a picture of a cat on a mat, because this is a rhyming book. All right, so we remember we have a title, the author writes, the illustrator draws, we have a spine, the front cover, and the back cover. All righty, my friends, that's enough review for today. The next time we meet, we'll talk more about position words, more shapes to discover, and we'll look at more opposites. And last, we're definitely going to talk about our feelings before you go into kindergarten. So as we leave, let's feed Uncle Bubbles. Hi, Uncle Bubbles. Because it's time for him to have a little something to eat. And we'll all say, goodbye, goodbye, good